Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6522. This ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right front door car. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke with a steering wheel. Instrument cluster.